Hi, Psycho here. Just wanted to show y'all what I've been working on. It's a 4-foot by 8-foot diorama of the G.I. Joe base. And as you can see up at the top of the hill, there is the G.I. Joe base, 1983, with a few extra additions to extend the wall to make it the full 4 foot wide. The whole storyline behind this is Serpentor, the Baroness, and the Crimson Twins have been captured and are awaiting being transferred to the FBI. Destro, desperate to get the Baroness back, has hired the Dreadnoks to get her back. Got a little explosion going on there. Got the Mobat at the front gate, the Ram. Got Roadblock up there putting on a good fight. A custom gun there. Got a little missile launcher. Missile taking off. Guard tower. Of course, the original flak. Whirlwind. Of course, the original vamp. Got a Skyhawk. Sky Striker. Missile being fired. Afterburners going. Another couple custom guns I got here. Got the RPG. And one of my personal favorites, the Paratrooper M249 saw. Now the Baroness and Crimson Twins are actually in the interrogation area. Got the Baroness sitting in a holding cell with handcuffs on. Mutt and Junkyard over here guarding her. I don't know if you can see it very well, but he's actually wearing a belt. Got a flashlight, a radio, a little pistol. You got Shipwreck over here, waterboarding Zaymont while he's being handcuffed and laying on the bed. Sergeant Slaughter's in there and trying to intimidate. And of course, got a couple regular old grunts planning a mission. Got your barracks. Now I've actually ordered 2 more of these bunk beds to kind of fill the room out a little more. Got a couple lockers in the back. Come down to the 3rd level. Got a little hangar. Had the Sky Striker in here until I hung it up. There's actually room for 2 Sky Strikers in the hangar. And then over in this room, we got the weapons storage room. had a couple missiles up there. I put them back on the Sky Striker. Shipwreck actually owns a bar. Got one of our local police officers checking it out. Got the bartenders. The name of the club is Don't Tread on Me. Next door to that we got the medical unit. Got a wheelchair in there. Got a good stretcher. I don't remember that Joe's name. I think it's Pathfinder or something like that. Got a cast on his arm. Got a cast on his leg. He's in here for some O-ring surgery. Then we come on over here. We got our indoor shooting range. Got a little gun rack with a couple guns. A little M60 leaning up against the wall. A couple pistols, submachine guns, a couple rifles sitting there on the table. A couple of rifles over here. A little sign that says firing range. And a couple good targets. Then you come back up to the second floor. We've actually got the motor pool, where most of my vehicles will fit in there all at once. It's quite large actually. And then it actually goes up to the outside. And that's actually where the vamp is coming out. Hope y'all enjoyed it.